Binance introduced SUI on Binance Launchpool, so you'll be able to farm SUI token by staking BNB and TUSD on Binance. Binance is excited to announce the 33rd project on Binance Launchpool. SUI is a DPoS layer 1 blockchain based on Move programming language. Users will be able to stake their BNB and TUSD into separate pools to farm SUI tokens over 2 days, with farming start from 2023-05 May 0100 UTC time. Binance then will list SUI when its liquidity meets the requirement and open trading with SUI BTC, SUI USDT and SUI TUSDT and SUI BNB trading pair. Exact date and timing will be announced once available. Users will enjoy zero maker fees on the SUI TUSD trading pair until further notice. SUI Launchpool details: token name SUI, total token supply 10 billion of SUI token. Launchpool token reward is 40 million, 0.4% of total token supply. Initial circulating supply of this token is going to be 528,273,717 and 5.28% of total token supply. Smart contract address, you can press this button over here to see, and staking times, no up limit, KYC required. So you need to verify your KYC on Binance for you to be able to participate in this launch pool, for you to be able to farm this token. If you will be staking BNB to farm this token, they have allocated 80% of this token for people who stake BNB on this token pool, and the second pool is TUSD. Is it 20% allocate for anyone who stake this USD stablecoin to receive 20% of token allocate for this launch pool. So it depends on type of launch pool you decide to stake, and that's going to determine amount of this token, SUI token, you are going to receive. So remember, you are not paying, you are just farming this token on Binance, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to read this article. I'm just giving you guys summary of this article. So you come to this article to check the full information you need to know about the distribution of this token and the requirements. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. If you need to create account with Binance, I'm going to leave a link in the video description, so you'll be able to create your account with Binance and you will receive a welcome bonus using the link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've created a Telegram group, so you can join this Telegram group to not miss any update on my channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.